10. This lecture summarizes key learning and delivers a strong, hopeful message about life after tuberculosis and the importance of community supports. So, living beyond TB, it's a hope, healing, and community support. So, in the opening, Namaskar, welcome to the final lecture of Tuberculosis Awareness Series. Over the last 9 lectures, we have explored TB, its causes, symptoms, prevention, treatment, and national program. Today we conclude by talking about life beyond TB with hope, healing, and the power of community support. So the main content of this lecture is 1. TB is curable. As millions have recorded, TB is not the end. So it is completely curable with proper treatment. Each year, millions of Indians complete tuberculosis treatment and return to normal life. Many survivors becomes TB champions, helping others with their experience. Second part is a life after tuberculosis, physical, mental, and social healing. Some patients may feel weak, anxious, or isolated even after being cured. Proper nutrition, exercise, breathing practices, and mental support are important during recovery or during the treatment. TB survivors should be welcomed and respected, not avoided. Third is the role of the family, friend, and society. Recovery is faster when the patient receives love and support from family and community. Avoid discrimination, blame, or judgment. TB is not a moral failure. It is a medical condition. School, workplaces, and neighborhoods should spread fact, not fear. So the fourth is a key takeaway from the series. TB spread through air, not by touch or food. Early diagnosis and full treatment are essential. TB is preventable, treatable, and curable. Myths, stigma, and misinformation must be challenged. Community action and national program together can eliminate TB. You are the key part of this mission. So the closing line, friends, TB can be beaten and every cured patient is a living example of strength. Let us carry forward the message of awareness, compassion, and action. This series may end here, but the journey for a TB-free India will continue with you, me, and all of us together. टीबी हारेगा, देश जीतेगा. So the tagline is heal completely, live fully, support openly. Thank you.